kitchen. My name is Joy. So I woke up this morning craving vegetable soup. So I had to search my kitchen for every ingredient I know I could use to make vegetable soup. So here are the list of my ingredients. I'm going to show you. So let's see and make this recipe. So come along. So here I have my vegetable. I have my okazi. So this is ugu, pumpkin leaf. So we're able to buy it yesterday in the market. So if you want to know the name of the market, I think it's Dustin Market in London. So we bought it in Dustin Market. I came with this one. So we have my meat. I just put water for it to defrost. So you can see my stockfish and my banla fish is being soaked for like 3 hours now because I want it to be soft before washing. So this is my dry fish, and you know me, you know me, you know me, but Port woman in London, we always use periwinkle. So this is another seafood. So all these things are not yet prepped, and this is snail. So I'll prep everything and I'll show you, and we will begin the process. So I have my meat in a clean pot. We're going to add oil. So I'm going to add my pepper blend and an onion, blended onion. So I also have my fish because my fish is not cooked with my meat. I'm going to add my fish here. I also have my dry periwinkle. I'm going to add it here because I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add my seasoning cube. I'm going to stir. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook until the water dries out. So you can see there's no water, it's cooked down. So now I'm going to add daily dawa. I'm also adding some crayfish, and I'm going to add the meat into it now. So we are going to stir and stir to make sure everything is combined at this moment. You can also add a little bit of water if you think it is too thick. Okay, so when I'm done stirring, I'm going to add a little bit of water because I just want a little liquid in the soup. You can see this soup has a lot of obstacles. Yeah, that's the way I wanted it to be. And also because I have a husband that has sweet tooth. So if there are not enough obstacles in the soup, so I'm adding a little water to it, and I'll allow it to cook for 2 minutes. So I'm adding pumpkin leaf. Another thing I'm adding is uziza leaf, just a handful. This is a game changer. So we're going to cover and let it wilt. Should cook for like a minute, then I'll stir it. I'm going to add a little more crayfish. So now I'm going to be adding my okazi. And there is water in my okazi because I had to blend my okazi with water. That's the only way the blender could allow it blend. My pot of goodness is almost ready. Please, are you still watching this video without subscribing up to this moment? Please now. Okay, I need that, they beg you. I beg, just subscribe. Huh? Subscribe, would it take away anything from you? Just click on that subscription button. I know you have watched it up to this moment because you like what you are saying. Okay? So that you get content like this every time. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please just leave a comment or a like. I appreciate it whenever I see your comments. Please. Thank you. So we are going to stir properly and taste to adjust our seasonings. It's important you taste finally for the last seasoning adjustment. So I'm using onga because my okazi is a little bit tender. I'm going to cover and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat. And there was light. Oh, so our soup is ready. So thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.